Draw with Bunny! Today we are going to draw a very colorful rainbow. So let's get started. We're going to make a very easy cloud. And then we would join these two clouds. Now the clouds are done. Let's get started with the rainbow. Remember, every rainbow is unique, just like you. Just slowly follow the lines. Yes, you got this. Rainbows remind us that after every storm comes beauty. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. We're almost done. In our rainbow world, every day is bright and wonderful. It would be super exciting to paint this rainbow. Yay! It's done! Now, let's make its cute face. We are starting with the eyes. And now, the mouth. Now let's make the cutest eyes. You just have to draw 3 small circles and then fill the eyes. Let's make some sparkly stars. Shiny stars. Yay! It's ready! Now it's time to paint! Red. Every color you choose tells a story about you. Blue. Blue is the color of peace and calmness. Pink. Pink is always my favorite color. Purple. Let's keep adding these beautiful colors and watch our rainbow come to life. Orange. Each color blends so perfectly into the next one, don't you think? Green. This green is the color of life, growth, and harmony. Yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness and joy. Light blue for the clouds. Let's paint this entire cloud with light blue color. Rainbow is almost ready. Just adding some light paint for the mouth. Now adding some yellow color for our sparkly stars. Ta-da! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.